Hello everyone, let me show you how you can get a 100% score for the encoding decoding program. So if I run the code, I get a menu. I can encode, I can decode, I can stop. If I click encode, I can click a text, I can type a text, hit enter, and then I get numbers. Then if I choose decode and I type in those same numbers, the numbers, by the way, are the ASCII code for the letters. If I type in the ASCII code for the letters and hit enter, I get the same word back. So that is 100%. What is not 100% is if I run the code, I choose encode, I type a word, I hit enter, and I get something like this, which I will still accept because these are the numbers. But now if I want to decode, how am I supposed to punch in the numbers? Is it like a comma? No, that will throw me an error. So now I have to figure out as a user how to enter these numbers. So do I punch them in the same way that you gave them to me? So that would be as a list. No. So how can I possibly punch in the numbers so that they work? So this will get you a 1 out of 2. If you can fix this, I will still allow you to fix it and get a full score for this, but now you understand what it is you need to fix. Here's another example of not getting full credit. So if I can choose encode, type a word, that's great. I get numbers. There's a comma in between for starters. So I am assuming this is how I would punch in the numbers, but now the program just stops. So instead of going back to the main menu, it just stops. So that will get you a 1 out of 2. And then you're lucky because I still have to check the decode. And now I'm just guessing how to put in the numbers. Just like that, as you gave them to me. So now that would work. Okay, so I will accept that. But the fact that I'm not going back to the main menu will cost you 1 point. If you can fix that, so I get back to the main menu until I type in the number that you chose for stop, so 0 in this case, then you will get full credit. If I get a link that doesn't work, that's just sloppy. You can just check that. You can just check your own link before you submit it. So that is just sloppiness. So I'll give you a 0 out of 2. But again, you can still fix that. If you get a proper link to working code, then I can still give you credit for that. So I hope it's clear now how to get 100%. I will still give you the chance to fix your code before tomorrow 8 p.m. And then I'll grade again. Just send me an email if you fixed your code, so I don't have to check 20 students. Just send me an email with the link to your code, working link with working code, the way it's supposed to work.